My worst ever investment and what I would never ever do again. I'm getting cold sweats just thinking about it. I was such a fool, and today I'm gonna bear all and share with you what I did as a lad and what I would never ever do again. So stay tuned. If you're brand new to the podcast, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button for weekly content, notification bell, so every single time we release new material, you get it. If you're brand new to me, my name's Simon. Just 3 years ago, I decided I needed to make a change. I needed to get some financial independence and invest in myself. And I got into property, and it's completely changed my life. And I started this YouTube channel to give value and help other people too. So let me take you back. Let me set the scene. I was in music before property. I'm still in music now. I love music, but it just wasn't paying me consistently enough. It was, it was highs, it was lows, it was lefts, it was rights, a lot of traveling and a lot of doing stuff that I didn't always want to do. But anyway, I had a pretty good run at one point, and I got a bit of a check, decent check, and I went out there and I brought a brand new BMW M Sport convertible, 25 grand or whatever it was. It wasn't brand new, tell you the truth. It was a couple years old, but it was brand new to me. And I walked into the dealership, and I never forget, I test drove it, cream leather interior, roof down. I thought I was the man, heated seats. I was the guy. And I actually got a memory of like him passing over the sheet for me to sign it. I think I put about 5 grand down, and then he said the balance was 19 and whatever, and I put it down and I bank transferred it, and the money just went bang. And I was like, yeah, it's fine, it's cool. I'm on the up. I'm gonna make this money back, law of attraction and that. Wrong. Enjoyed the car, but the car was so expensive to run, first things first. And, about 4 years down the line, I was kind of finding property at the same time. I was like, I think I'm gonna have to let it go. And I never ever forget, I took it down to WeBuyAnyCar.com. I think I went online at first, and you put the information in and see what you might get for the car. And it was like 7.5 grand. I was like, damn. But what made matters even worse was that the twin turbos, which cost 6-7 grand to replace, were also going. And I took it down to the garage. He said, mate, you better sell this quick, like yesterday. So I drove down, went round there. They start walking around your car saying, scratch there, dock you £200. Mark there, dock you £500. I ended up with like 6.5 grand and lost 20k over 4 years, and that was that. And looking back now, that was so dumb, and I would never ever do it again. And here's what I've done this time around. This is what you should do if you're sitting on a little bit of money like that. What you should do is you buy an asset, okay? Which obviously in my case, that's property. You buy an asset, or you rent an asset, but that's for another video. And that money goes into an asset and stays there. The cash flow from that asset then should pay for your car lease. So right now, outside, not bragging, but we've got a Range Rover that is paid for by not even a whole property, half of a property, okay? And that's leverage, because the 25k is in the property and will be in the property when I come to sell it. It will be there. Not only that, am I getting the capital appreciation, so the 25s actually grow into 50. And the cash flow I use to get the car lease. Brand new car, no maintenance, no issues, change it every 3 years, and it's leverage. So don't make the same mistake I did. Cars are a liability, and if you're going to buy them, or if you're going to get flashy, make sure you've got an asset that's working for it, not you.